Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this unboxing that a bag from Coach. I'm very excited with today's unboxing because it's one of their Coach Cashin Tote. If you are not familiar with Coach, that's kind of one of their design that they bring back from years ago when the original designer designed the bag. So from I was told, this is kind of a limited edition, so we'll see how it turns out. So here you go. This is, I believe they call it a love letter to New York, Coach Cashin Shopper Tote 36. It's a long name, so if I got it wrong, I apologize for that. It did come with this dust bag. Wow, it's a different dust bag. The dust bag, look at how big the dust bag is. And it seemed to be a cotton fabric, that like substantial cotton fabric as this dust bag. And then I want to show you that's how they number it on the story patch. This is 23 out of 50. So I think Raphael has the same tote. I wonder what is his number. Mine is the 23rd out of 50. So they only made 50 of this, which is kind of cool. Not sure if I can see that they have a tag here. Let's see if I can see. I may be too old to see small text. So I believe it says this is made in USA but with imported material. So it's likely they import the hardware and the leather. Let's see. On the bottom it does say genuine glove tan leather and with this gold metal fit. I love that it has this chunky, huge Coach tag. Look at that, it's almost as big as my hand. However, this tote only comes with this skinny top handles. I don't think it can slip on my shoulder. I'm not going to try. It's really just a top handle kind of bag, as you can see here. But it does secure with rivets. So I think it should be pretty secure even though it's kind of skinny. This is a quality leather. Feel like really high quality leather compared to their regular bag. So I'm sure it will stay in shape very well and hold up pretty well. One side it has, the front side it has this snap button. Really tight button. I almost felt like I may pull off the fabric, but it's fine. And then on the other side with the story patch and the zip pocket is very smooth, but the pocket is not very deep, as you can see here. Probably just enough to fit in my hand. Probably just enough to fit in my hand. And yeah, a love letter to New York. It says this Coach piece is part of a special collection made in New York, our hometown since 1941, inspired by the enduring spirit of the city. It was crafted in partnership with local makers as a way of giving back to our community. So I guess this would be other than those vintage Coach bag, this would be my first Coach bag that made in New York, made in USA, I think. Since most of the bag now are made in Vietnam and some other countries in Asia. So while unboxing this one, I also want to show you the other Cashin tote I have. This one, I believe they call it Coach Cashin Carry Shopper 29, I believe. So this is 36, this is 29. This one, 29, it does come with a crossbody strap. Just not this one. This one, the 36, they really design it as a kind of a shopping bag. Even the color, I feel like they try to imitate the paper bag kind of color, which is really cool. It looks pretty perfect. I don't see any big flaws of it. Some minor things, but other than that, this tote looks good. I definitely would keep it, especially I only pay half price for it, which is an amazing deal, I may say so. So I'm really excited to try to use this tote. And if you see it on their outlet website, I'm not sure that that's even possible since they only made 50 of this. If you ever see this, or even reseller market, I highly recommend this one. It's really cool. But a reminder, it doesn't come with a crossbody strap. So as long as you're okay with that, this is a great quality tote. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll share more unboxing with you again soon. Bye!